Hello and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I picked up this this lot on eBay a while back. It was absolutely crusty and rusty, and I put some of that, sprayed some of that like rust inhibitor stuff on it, and just left it soak in, and then give it a bit of a wipe over, and then just put a bit of polish on it, but metal polish on it. It's actually not cleaned up too bad actually. In fact, let's go right in. It says it's a secure 4-lever padlock. Cleaned it up. Everything was completely caked and rusty. I've got it working. So I thought we'd have a little go picking this. So I'm going to zoom out just a little. Choice of tools. So this is a cut down key that I have flattened off the edge here and put a groove in it, and then this groove follows through. Now we will find that actually the upright on this tension bit is a little bit short, so it's nice and tightly locked. It has no false gates, and these are my classic brass handle and pick wire. That's in 1.4mm. So I'm just going to stick it in. You just need to be aware sometimes with locks like this that I don't think this one's okay, but this little bit here, you can easily get your wire stuck inside, and it doesn't move, and you think that you're actually inside the lock, and you're not, and there's hardly any movement. So make sure that you got plenty of movement. So I'm going to put a bit of tension on it. I'm going to light to medium tension, and I'm just going to feel for the first lever. So the upright is straight up, and I'm just tapping the back of the first lever so I can go underneath it, turn and go underneath it, and I'm going to lift it. Second lever, bit of movement. Nothing on the third or fourth. So just back to the first lever. Second and fourth. Back again. Movement. 2, 3, 4. Oops, jumped off the first lever. First lever, second, third, fourth. Movement again, just touching the levers. It's not a difficult pick. I'm just doing it nice and gentle and steady. You don't need to be erratic when you're picking these things. You just need to bit of tension. Oops, bit of gentle lift on the lever, a bit more movement that time. Normally it goes quicker on camera as per usual. It's been my what I've found. There you go, it's just gone. So I'm just tapping the levers, just lifting them. I'm feeling for a bit of movement. You get a bit of movement, you know that lever's set. And just keep going up and down the levers. You can go down and then back up, pick back up if you like, and just go down. And you get movement, and then eventually it would just go. So I'm going to turn this round. Now, actually, because this post isn't very long, it's actually moved the bolt over enough to lift the padlock. There we go. But it's not pushed all the way over. Now, it's moved it enough to open the padlock. And I could put this in and clip it over, flick it over, and it's completely open. But I don't actually, you can, and then you have to, I don't have a key for this, so you'd have to pick it closed. But because it's not very long, it's just enough to catch the bolt to pull it open. I'm going to demonstrate this. I'm going to close it now. See, it's open, but it's just not dropped on the other side of the levers. So I'm able to actually close it. And that is actually, it's actually locked. So, excuse me. So there you go, a full lever, same size as a Squire 440. And this will be, at some point in one of my giveaways, I will throw this padlock, no key I'm afraid, I will throw this padlock into one of my giveaways with the lever locks, so you can have a go picking it yourself. And I'll probably do it again on camera to show you it being picked. So thanks so much for watching. Take care, you have a nice day, and I will catch you all again very soon. So keep your eyes open. I don't know which video it'll be, don't know which giveaway, but at some point this is going to go in one of my giveaways. Take care, you have a nice day, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye bye now. Bye bye. Bye bye.